Hi, Pidgin English Coach here. Last in one of my videos, I asked you guys to send me what you want me to talk about, and Matthias Tondi, hope I got that right. Matthias Tondi sent a question. So he asked, what's the meaning of the D-E-Y? D-E-Y, the, pronounced the, is a very popular Pidgin English word, and it's quite versatile. The can be used in so many sentences. D-E-Y, the, can be, exactly, it means am, A-M, am, alright? So if I say, it will really make sense if I can use some sentences to show you what I mean. If I say, I dey come, it means I am coming, right? If I say, I dey go, it means I am going. If I say, I dey, it means I am okay, alright? Or I am around. If I say, I dey come for road, it means I am coming on the road. So D-E-Y is AM, but it's actually more than that, because depending on how you use it, some of the sentences and the phrases that are used, depending on how you use it, it might mean something else, right? But generally it means AM, that's am, alright? So I don't know if this has been helpful to you, but I hope it has. If you still have any other worries or questions about the word DEY, alright, you can still ask in the comments. I'll do my best to try to help out with answers. Alright, Matthias Tondi, once again, thank you for asking that. To everybody else there, see if you have anything you want me to talk about, any particular word, any particular thing, just post it in the comments. I'll do my best to do a video and audio about it. Alright, and also don't forget that my Kindle book is still available. If you want to get it, go to the link in the description and go get it. I also have audio courses and video courses, alright, so you can learn and move fast. If you want a one-on-one training, you can also contact me directly. Alright, so go ahead and give me feedback. How do you like this? What should I do? Tell me whatever issue you have, and I'll do my best to help you out. Alright, bye bye.